What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is the traditional way of eating in the Mediterranean countries, which is high in olive oil, vegetables, and nuts and seeds, and proteins like fish, which has been voted best diet 3 years in a row due to the proven health benefits, including extending your life. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button to get notified of my weekly videos. Okay, let's get into it. The Mediterranean diet has been voted as the best diet as it can be sustained long-term and become part of your healthy lifestyle. The first thing you must do to make the Mediterranean diet a success in your life is you must get rid of these items from your pantry. Soft drink or soda, ice cream, lollies or candy, pastries, white bread, crackers, and processed food. Okay, now let's talk about what you do want to fill your pantry and fridge with. You can't have a Mediterranean diet without extra virgin olive oil. You will need to buy some fish like salmon or snapper. But if you don't normally eat fish and don't know how to cook it, it's fine to start with canned tuna. Legumes, nuts and seeds also form an important part of the Mediterranean diet. Leafy greens and vegetables should be stocked in your fridge. Oh, and not to forget the herbs and spices to make everything taste amazing and fill your body with antioxidants. Dairy also plays its role in the Mediterranean diet, so if you love your latte, then you can have it. Just make sure to choose low fat. Soft cheese is the way to go in the Mediterranean diet, so that includes yogurt, ricotta, cottage and feta. You are allowed to eat all fresh fruit and vegetables, and the more the better, so stock up on both of these. An example of breakfast would be toasted bread with soft cheese and fresh fruit, or freshly squeezed fruit juice. There is something very delicious when combining tomatoes with feta cheese and bread. It actually makes a great Mediterranean breakfast or lunch. I would add some baby spinach to the sandwich for extra health benefits. A popular lunch option in the Mediterranean diet is fish and a salad. The fish can be salmon or whitefish like snapper. For dinner, you can have something like Mediterranean couscous with tuna. There are many versions of Mediterranean couscous, so I suggest picking one that you feel would taste best for you. This recipe can be vegetarian, or you can add meat, it's your choice. I think the Mediterranean diet ticks most of the boxes in terms of being the diet that caters for most people in their home life, work life, social life, travel, and as well as for allergy restrictions. There are many variations to recipes, and they can be easily changed up to suit a lifestyle that has restrictions. Also, when considering if a diet is good for you, please consider the 3 S's. Safe, that it is safe for you. Simple, something that is easy to follow. Sustainable, something that you can stick to for the long term. This will ensure you keep the diet and healthy lifestyle going long term. I hope you have enjoyed learning about the Mediterranean diet. And if you would like to see what other popular diets are out there, check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. On to good health.